will see some subjective questions and objective questions of JEE Mains and Advanced. Now here, y is equal to sin x power tan x. We need to find the dy by dx. So in the textbook method, we apply log on both sides, but here what I do is I just put e and log. When you put e and log, they both are anti, they both get cancelled. And here we have a sin x power tan x, so tan will come down. So this is how we express this one applying e and log. Why did we do that? Then we can find that exponential formula directly. E power something is same, e power tan x into log of sin x. And now internal differentiation for tan x into log of sin x, you have to apply the uv. So that is tan x into 1 by sin x into cos x, okay, plus log of sin x into tan differentiation is secant square x. See, this is tan into cot will cancel and get 1. So secant square x into log of sin x, 1, and secant square into log of sin x, and this is your question. So your option is A. So like this we can solve it into 1 or 2 lines. Okay, now x square plus y square equal to 1. I want the differential equation. You need not to have any x terms over here. So that means you just need to differentiate 2 times. You apply differentiation, you get 2x plus 2y, y dash is equal to 0. So I can get to eliminated like yeah, okay, I will make one more step here, x plus y, y dash is equal to 0. Now I do is again differentiating, I'll get 1 plus, so 1 plus is there for 3 option. So let's see this double differentiation, y double dash plus y dash square. If you do, you'll get uv rule, so you'll get the answer. So y double dash plus y dash square plus 1, the option is B. So these are the 2 objective questions we did in 2 lines. No need to put more pressure on it. And here we have a subjective question.